Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be solving another SQL problem number 1174, immediate food delivery. Let's take a look at the problem statement. We are given a table called delivery. This table has 4 columns: delivery ID, customer ID, order date, and customer preferred delivery date. Delivery ID is the column of unique values. This table holds information about food delivery to customers that make orders at some date, order date, and specify a preferred delivery date. The preferred delivery date can be on the same date or after it. All right. So if the customer's preferred delivery date is the same as the order date, then the order is called immediate. Otherwise, it is called scheduled. So let's take a note of that. So if preferred delivery date, right, is equal to order date, then the order is called immediate. Otherwise is called scheduled. Okay. The first order of a customer is the order with the earliest order date that the customer made. It is guaranteed that a customer has precisely one first order. Write a solution to find the percentage of immediate orders in the first orders of all customers, routed to 2 decimal places. So the percentage of immediate orders in the first orders, this is important because it means that we only care about the first order of a customers only. So in other words, if the second order is immediate, right? Is immediate, it doesn't count because it's not the first order. This doesn't count as it's not the first order. We only care about the first order only, whether the order is immediate or scheduled. Okay? Right, so how do we calculate the immediate percentage? So let's take a look at the example. We have delivery table, delivery ID, customer ID. I'm going to query this table and order by customer ID and order by order date. So we will see the example much better. So I'm going to do select star from delivery, and I'm going to order by customer ID, and order date. Okay, let's run this real quick. We'll have the same table, but ordered by customer ID and order date. All right, so this is the table. So for customer ID number 1, the first order date is this row, and the preferred delivery date is on the second. It's not on the order date. It's not as the same as the order date. So this order is scheduled, and this is second. So we don't really care about the second order date. So similarly, for the customer ID number 2, this is the first date, the first order, and the preferred delivery date is on the order date, so this is immediate order. For customer number 3, the first order is on the 21st, and the preferred delivery date is after it, so it's not, this order is scheduled. And this is the case where in this statement, in the problem statement, it says here, we find the percentage of immediate orders in the first orders. So we only care about the first order only. And even if the second order is immediate, is an immediate order, we don't count this one. We only care about the first orders, which is this one. And number 4, the order date and the customer preferred delivery date is on the same date, so this is an immediate order as well. So we have 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 out of 4. So the percentage is 50%, right? All right, let's remove this part, and to get the immediate percentage, let me get the formula down. So the immediate percentage is identified as the count of immediate order, immediate order, right, over the total number of the first orders or the total number of the customers. As it says here, it is guaranteed that a customer has precisely one first order, so we can either divide it by the total number of first orders or the total number of the customers, right? So it's gonna be the total number of first order, or the total number of the customers. All right. So how do we go about solving this problem? First, I will filter out the first order only by customer ID using row number function. If you're not familiar with row number function, you can look up row number, rank, dense rank, window functions. So row number return a unique number for each row starting with 1, and rank and dense rank are similar as row number, but they are different in the sense of when we have ties. So it's very important we know the differences between row number, rank, and dense rank. In this case, I'm gonna try using row number first, and if we run into any edge cases that when there are ties in the order date, maybe I will try rank or dense rank. But for this one, I'm gonna try with row number. So as I said, let's filter out first order only by customer ID, and I'm gonna use row number function. The syntax is gonna be row number over partition by. I'm gonna partition by customer ID, and we order by order date, something like that. And after that, after we have the data of the first order only, I'm gonna use case when or if statement. If you watch my other video, you'll get familiar with the if condition, if function in case when. These can be used interchangeably to identify if the order is scheduled or immediate, or identify if the order is scheduled or immediate. All right. So let's solve this problem. Let me run the first order only with row number. So I'm gonna do select star. And I'm gonna use row number. Over, I'm gonna do partition by customer ID right here. All right, and we order by order date ascending, so we get the first order. Order by order date. I will show you what the result look like. So we call it row number from delivery. Delivery. Okay, let's run this real quick and see what the output looks like. Alright, as you can see here, the row number function will bring this one to the top. So this will give it a unique number and then rank it based on the order date. so it's gonna be 1. We partition by order ID, so we have two rows for this customer ID. So this is 1, we order by order date, so it's going to be 2. And same for customer ID number 2, we have 1, 2. For customer ID number 3, we also have 1, 2, and all ordered by order date and partitioned by customer ID. And for number 4, there's only 1, so this row is 1. So we want to select where the row number is equal to 1, right? So in order to do that, I'm going to create a common table expression, which is also called CTE. So I'm gonna call this table first order, because this table has only the first order. All right, so with first order as, we are going to select, let me select star so you can see from first order. Right? Let's run that. And like I said, we only want where the row number, the RN, is equal to 1. Where RN is equal to 1. All right, so now we have an output of the customer, unique customers with the first order date. And now we're just looking into like if the order is immediate or scheduled. So in order to do that, up here we can use case when or if function. So I'm gonna do select, and we only care about the immediate percentage, so we don't have to select star. We are going to first we need to get if the customer, so if order date equal to customer preferred delivery date, right? Then it's gonna be 1, else gonna be 0. All right, and we want to get the sum of this. Sum, because we want to get the percentage, it's gonna be times 100 and over the total number right here, the percentage, the total number of first orders or total number of customers. So I'm gonna do customer, the total number of customer ID, so it's gonna be count customer ID, right? And we want to round this to decimal point, so we're gonna do round to, and we call it immediate percentage as immediate percentage. All right, let's check one last time, make sure that there's no typo or an error. So select star. Okay, so let's run this one. Okay, so the output is 50 and it matches with the expected output. Let's submit this one and see if we have any edge cases. All right, nice. Runtime 1015 milliseconds, beats 81.73% of users with MySQL. That is it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video.